want to be on camera a little bit, like a movie star.
All of my makeup.
I gotta stop.
What's up, guys? So I'm here doing a beauty tutorial with you guys, but I've got my little baby niece with me, Kylie. So today we're going to wash off our makeup, okay? This is my nightly routine. I added in one facial treatment that I only do once a week, and I wanted to do it today while I had her with me. So we're gonna take our makeup off, we're gonna do extractions, exfoliating, so that way we can get ready to watch a movie and products that we're gonna be using today. They're all numbered because I'm not good at remembering the order. So the first step that I do is I use this product, Bare Minerals, to wipe off all of my makeup. So this one is for you, darling. And this will be for me. And my mom is in the bedroom right now laughing. And you'll find out why after this video. My face gets so red because I have super sensitive skin. So now we're gonna do the skin extractions. I'm gonna see if I have any like blackheads on my face that I want to get rid of, any whiteheads, anything like that. So when we do step number 2, all of it will get washed out. Take a look at her face. Why is she making fun of me? So now I'm gonna take care of hers. So what I do is I have this product. It's a double-sided.
Sorry. Ingram blood.
Okay, so we just did the facial extractions. I didn't have much. She had a few little ones that we wanted to get out of there. So now, step 2, we're gonna use this product. We're going to wash our faces, and then we're gonna finish the rest of the 3 steps. And we took our showers, and she is now just so tired. So we are actually gonna skip one of the steps. We're gonna skip the face mask from Ordinary. We kind of just want to like lay down and relax. So we're gonna go to the vitamin C from Ordinary. I label it 3 because that's my 3rd step. Okay. Put it on your forehead. There. Okay. Let's put it all over your face. It's really, really nice to put some vitamins on your skin, hydrates, and it just soaks it all up. And it feels so good. Literally amazing. Okay, last up, that's easy. Ordinary face lotion. You guys can see that. Okay. Okay, let's put this on my face, just like this. You guys know how to put lotion on. Oh, both of our towels are falling off of our heads. I like to get my neck, because I always put makeup on my neck too. All done? Nice. Nice. All right, so we are all done with our face. Ow. Now she's hurting herself. And now we are ready to go to bed. I will list all of the products that we used down below. Like and comment and let me know what you guys want to see next. Did you want to do this with us, Mom?
No. I just want to be on camera a little bit, like a movie star.
Okay.
Do you think they'll notice I got no bra on?
Oh, yes. Now that you said it.
Oh.
Yeah. No.
What would give it away?
Hidden gyro.
Huh?
Hidden Jelly roll.
Bloopers!
Ow!
No, I was just explaining to her like the process of what we're doing.
That's way too much work. See, but I don't need that shit.
It literally. Why are you swearing on my YouTube channel?
This is a holy place, okay?
Oh, it's on a YouTube?
It's on TuTube. on TuTube. No, so it really isn't. It's just gonna take longer because I'm filming it, so I have to like explain it. You know what I mean? Of like the cycle of what we're doing. But I do this nightly routine every night. Besides this, I only do this once a week. But it literally
looks like food coloring.
It takes 2 seconds. I mean, technically, but I wouldn't use it as food coloring.
Doesn't it look like food coloring?
I would not use that as food coloring
And the second one in the middle, the one that has number 3 on it, it actually looks like a foot fungus cream. Like, you know those little things that you just on your toes?
Welcome.
Starring Lucia. Not even guest starring. We're just here.
This is where we get our middle name from.
Yeah.
So this is this.
I am the original.
Wow.
What happened?
My phone needs to charge, and you're wasting my battery by talking about the phone.
So I'm the
fungus.
original Lucia, and this is Leenda Lucia, and this is Kylie Lucia. And the next one is born. It's gonna have to be Lucia. I'm sorry to say. Shut up. Yes, it is.
Not my kids.
Well, then I'll tell you what. I'm gonna take it and steal it from the hospital.
Okay.
Now that I know where my kids are gonna go.
Air minerals.
Sorry.
You're a bitch.
You're so into the video too.
Why did you stop talking?
Well, because she ruined it by laughing.
You're like, let me sneak like a little spy.
Okay, so the first product that I use to wipe off all of my makeup.
I gotta stop. Sorry. I'm not good at this at all.
Mom, shut up! I'm never gonna get this done if you keep freaking laughing. My phone's dying.